Let's print a DTF transfer. I'm Jeremy with DTF Superstore, and I'm in our showroom with our Mongoose 2 printer, which is a two-head printer. A two-head printer has one head for the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black colors, and a separate head for the white. When printing a DTF transfer, the printer lays down the CMYK colors first, and then lays down the white. You'll notice that all of the CMYK inks get covered with white ink, and that serves two purposes. The first is that the white ink acts as a bonding agent for the adhesive powder, which we're going to cover in the next video. Without it, your transfers would not adhere to the garment well, and they would not be very durable. The second is that DTF printing is a subtractive color process, which means that as you add colors, the results get darker. For this reason, when printing on darker garments, the white is needed to keep colors bright and vibrant. You'll also notice that the image is printing backwards or mirrored. That is because you're looking at what is the back side of the graphic that will be attached to the shirt. Once pressed, it'll look right. How to spot printing issues. An issue that is common with any inkjet system, including DTF, is banding. Banding looks like stripes going across your print. If you have this problem, there's no need to give yourself a headache over it because we have a banding troubleshooting course on DTF University. This course is free for DTF Superstore customers, but you can purchase full access to the course for just $49 on our website. While banding is the most common issue we see, there are smaller issues that can arise during the printing stage. We created this channel specifically to help you make the highest quality DTF products. Click subscribe and check out our DTF Basics and Ideas playlist for more tips and ideas. It's very important to monitor the printing stage of the DTF process to make sure the results coming out of the printer are in line with what you're looking for. Now that you know how to print, the next step is powdering. Make sure to hit that like button if you're finding this series useful. Let's jump right into the next step over here.